Huh?
You keep scaring him.
Cool.
You can see the colors and all at least. What are you doing with the leaflet? Jacket, I'm frozen. My hands are like popsicles. They're like freezing winter time out here. Oh, just stop. You knew better than to be afraid of us.
You're frisk.
Look at my hands.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. What's he say?
Oh, he sees something.
You think?
That's what I was looking at. What's under there, Frisk? Get it, whatever it is.
Unless it's a chipmunk, then you can leave him alone.
Yeah, if it's the chipmunk or squirrel, we'll leave him alone.
If it's a rat or
A
a mouse,
rat or a
get
mouse,
that sucker.
kill him.
Leave the snakes alone too. I don't want you bit.
Yes.